So guys, now I'm home and a little bit of headache I'm having it right now. And मुझे अभी आप लोगों को एक चीज़ दिखानी है. वो चीज़ ये है. So I have all these instant noodles. I will show you because that shop actually offered me these instant noodles. This one. And as usual I always pick yogurt and उस shop पे मुझे वो डब्बे वाला yogurt नहीं मिला. And some chips. And जो मैं हमेशा से खाती हूँ which is raisins. This is an Indian raisin जो मैं already लाई थी and I have some walnuts and some cashews along with me. And ये जो है ये सारे नेपाली instant noodles हैं जो मैं इसे just इसमें I will just pour some masalas on it and वो बन के तैयार हो जाते हैं. और ऐसे होता है ये instant noodles. I will show you. तो अब आप मुझे बताओ कि मैं इन सब में से कौन से खाऊं. I have 4 different type of noodles. I think this one will be okay. Okay, fine. तो मैं इससे अभी खुलने वाली हूँ. I will show you. Yeah. Yes. So see, this comes with this one, and okay. So they have some peri peri and some masalas here, along with this. It's called onion flavor oil. Seriously, this has onion flavor oil and some seasoning powder along with this chili flakes. Okay, I think okay, so now I will be mashing it off like this so that it will be easier for me. Where is the scissors? Okay, so this is how that instant noodle is prepared and I have actually like done, and now I will just give it a taste. Crispy and spicy and good. 3 words for this. Good.